students, good morning. Once again, welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School, Mowa. Myself, Nimisha Mehta. We have started our compo part in our grammar subject. Today, we are going to start our essay to my favorite season. Winter season essay. Winter is one of the 4 seasons in India. Winters are the coldest season that begins from mid of November and lasts till February. Do you know? Now we suffer because our end of the February continue. The peak time when winter is encountered the most almost is in December and January. In India, winter times hold great importance. Besides, the essence it has is appreciated by many people. Winters allow you to gratify in various exercises like a snowball fight, playing with snow, ice hockey and more. But in our Gujarat, we play with water. Do you know? In that season, we also enjoying the festival Holi. We splash water each other and enjoy. Okay. Exercises like a snowball fight, playing with snow, ice hockey and more. It is an excellent time for children to enjoy their holidays and get comfortable in their blankets. Read on to find more about the essay on winter season. Winter season essay for kids. A journey by train in winter season is an awesome experience. In the mountainous area, people encounter snow during winters. They ought to move it out of the way to make way for walking. The nature of winters is improved by Christmas as well. It begins the holiday spirit for people and is appreciated all over the world. But there is also a downside to this season. The farmers, people who do not have shelters, and animals are most influenced by this season. There is barely any business for farmers in this season. Hundreds of homeless people die due to the coolest winter. Otherwise, or you write first one, yeah, this second one. 2 types I given my favorite season. Seasons are categorized into 4 major parts: winter, summer, autumn and rainy. As the winter season is cherished by most of us, we are offering you here 10 lines essay on my favorite season, winter. Winter is my favorite season of the year. During winter, the weather is very cold and the temperature falls even below 5 degrees Celsius in some parts of the country. Winter season usually starts in the month of November and ends in February. Today, now continue, no? Yes. December and January are the coldest months of the season. In the course of this season, some places face heavy snowfall and hailstorms. People wear warm clothes like jackets, sweaters and coats. Some also burn little pieces of wood to get some warmth. Hot drinks and eatables are preferred by people to keep themselves warm. In winter season we drink hot tea, hot coffee. Okay. This season offers us lots of fresh fruits and vegetables like orange, kiwis, bananas, apples, radish, carrots and green vegetables. I like drinking hot milk with Bonvita in the winter season. During winters, I love to cover myself with a quilt and read books when at home. So my favorite season is winter. Okay, write down in your notebook. Out of 2, any one you can write. Okay. Thank you.